Welcome back to the Afro Hair Science YouTube channel. It's me, your homegirl Adosha Wright, aka Key Lolo, with another cool video. Remember, 2026 is the year of solutions, and in this video, I'm going to be critiquing another video to help you become unconfused about Afro hair and the tangled lies. Because never fear, hair help is here on the Afro Hair Science YouTube channel. We do ask that you do not do any hair shaming. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And again, we're going to talk about Afro hair confusion and the tangled lies. So let's just hop right into the video as we break it down. Also, if you have any advice, please drop some of your comments and recommendations in the comment section below, because that's what we do here. We offer solutions. So let's hop into it.
Black women, public service announcement for all black women. This is not normal. Black women, public service announcement for all black women. This
Is normal. Yeah, tangles are normal, guys.
normal, nor is it healthy. It's not healthy to the scalp because it's constant pulling the hair from the root just to detangle it. And it's pulling.
It's pulling because it's knotted. Okay, let's get this understood. When it comes to Afro hair, tangles at the scalp or tangles throughout the hair in general is very normal. And the best place to begin to detangle Afro hair is at the scalp.
And it's pulling and it's pulling and it's not necessary.
Pulling is very necessary when it comes to detangling or combing out Afro hair. The characteristics of knotting and tangling and retangling, no matter how much you detangle, hey guys, this happens. So unless you twist it back down, it's going to tangle back up no matter what you put on it. So don't fret. This is just what Afro hair does, okay? It's very, very normal.
I'm using the Wizard from Amika, which is a detangling primer. I have to use detanglers because women are waiting years to get a haircut.
Okay, haircuts may have a teeny weeny, but detangling conditioners offer slippage, so be sure to get you some.
Or they're going to hairstylists and the stylist is charging them for a haircut, but they're not accurately cutting the hair off. So now the client doesn't go and get a haircut. They put braids or they do anything else to their hair. And now
It's question time. Drop your questions in the chat.
I am sitting here fussing and fighting with dead ends and hair that needs to be cut.
Unfortunately, she's fussing with the wrong comb. Those white tooth combs, they are a seriously big no-no.
Client a fine, so don't come for me in the comments unless I send for you.
At some point, a person is just being plain old mean, but she is truly, truly frustrated.
Because she's good. She understand. We had a whole understanding of what needed to be done. And I already posted her consultation.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
But if you have to keep spraying and keep doing this is not normal and it's not healthy for the scalp.
The dumbest shit people say about black hair.
Our online education is definitely a part of the solution. See you in October.
So ladies, if you have to do this to your hair or your daughter's hair, you need to find a stylist immediately and get a proper haircut.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Well, it's questionable if you need a new stylist, but a haircut, that's a far reach. I'm going to put out an emergency order for damaged hair alarmist. Yeah, the whole thing about cutting your hair and seeing a new stylist, it's a money grab. Remember, you can do this at home using the right products, the right tools, and the right techniques. While us professionals are here for you, we can also teach you how to do this at home. You don't always have to pay us, but if you want to, visit me at www.rdthairsalon.com.
Immediately. And this is me blow drying it and trying to get it
Boy, she's really frustrated. Again, she has the wrong tool. It's the wrong brush.
as straight as possible. When people always say, well, you didn't blow dry to the ends. If I can, I do. Clearly.
It's a simple solution. It's called technology. What about the Dr. Willie Morrow blow dry nozzle? It will help you out when your skill set is low, and it's also designed for Afro hair by a black man. Or you can use the Rev Air if you like white people. No, I'm just kidding. No, the Rev Air is a great solution for those of us who are skill challenged.
It's not me, it's the hair that came to me.
The dumbest shit people say about black hair.
The hair that came to her is called Afro hair, which naturally tangles. Yes, this stuff tangles naturally. It also snarls. It does that. And then lastly, it knots all at one time and in no given order. These are the natural characteristics of Afro hair, which is why we use an Afro comb. And we also use a leave in conditioner or detangler to help give the hair some slippage to make this process go through with a little less effort.
Like that, I don't think people are understanding.
What you talking about, Will?
But this is me going in and giving her a full blow dry, and I'm doing slow chases. That's why you see the smoke coming out.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna quit playing. The reason why you see smoke coming from the hair when you blow dry is because the heat is warming up the product. That's all, nothing more, nothing less.
I'm doing slow chases to try to stretch the hair as much as possible. But
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay, guys, she's using the wrong brush, and you can only stretch Afro hair, but so much. That's real talk.
this is not normal.
That is very normal. This hair typing that Afro hair can't do this stuff. No. To reiterate, she has the wrong comb and the wrong technique.
Ladies, get a haircut.
Y'all leave them ends alone. Keep them scissors out your hair and just get the right comb. Let the stylist determine the cut, okay?
Oh my God. Thanks so much for watching that video with me. If you could bear it, don't forget, hit the thumbs up button. We'll see you in the chat every Monday. Let's have some discourse and talk about this. Something is going on, y'all. I know I ain't the only one that's going crazy. Drop your comments in the chat.